Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we off our dial pad tone in our Tecno phone device guys. You would to off guys this dial pad tone, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off the dial pad tone in our Tecno phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. And first of all open your phone setting to off dial pad tone. And guys, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Tap here, scroll. As you can see your dial pad tone, so we will off from this right side. And as you can see, so friends, you can see your dial pad tone will not work in your Tecno phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.